Alright guys, this is my first vlog. We're going to destroy this car with the bulldozer. I don't know how this is gonna end up going, but I'm excited to see how we do it. But I'm hooking up the car to the skid steer so we can put it out. We're gonna put it out here and try to run over it with the bulldozer. Cause this car's going in the trash anyways. We'll see how we do it. This might be the sketchiest chain ever, bro. Well, I'm gonna hit there. I'm so sweaty too. Let me lock in. We're taking the engine out right now. Oh my gosh, he's so strong. Now we're gonna hook a chain to the engine, take out the engine, and then it should be ready to flip.
Go up. Go up. Alright, hold on. It's stuck on something. You have to push it this way. Push it left. Hold on, no.
He says no, and does exactly what I was doing. How does that make any sense? Why is he smiling? Finally got it out. We were not going to be able to squish it, so we kind of just gave up. Start tilting. Oh, this is a fucking good disaster.
I'm scared, bro.
Yeah, wait, we should do it out. We should do it out in the open so it doesn't. Alright, he's going for it. He's going for it. Oh, there it goes. Keep going. Push, you gotta go now. You gotta go now. No. Yeah, there she goes. I think it's still good. I don't think it fits in there, but. Get a tire in there. That's tire. Right there.
Fix this shit.
That's crazy. We care about safety here. I hope I don't get pulled over, but look at this. But we're not going too far, so it should be fine. But alright, now we just gotta get weighed in. I don't know if they're gonna take me. It's kind of late. They close at 3:45. It's 3:20, and I don't want to drive with this back, so I hope they take me. But if not, we're gonna have to do it. But let's hope not. We'll see. All right, they let us in. Now we just gonna wait our turn. This is my first YouTube video, but I'm gonna be trying to make more YouTube videos of stuff we do. I think it's funny, and I thoroughly enjoy doing it. So. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Thank you again for watching. If you like that, please subscribe, comment, and share it too. You might as well. I'm gonna be trying to post every week, so subscribe. And until next time, thank you. Also, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm gonna be reading them, so if there's something you guys want to learn about or us to explain in depth, I'm more than happy to. So leave a comment.